What's up, everyone? This is going to work again today. Oh, or not. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. The wet grass, I guess. That sucked. Right off the rip. Jesus. Well, wasn't that interesting? I'll twist my damn ankle doing that. That's never happened before. Trying to get out of my garage. Kind of like embarrassing almost. Oh well, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this motovlog thing. It's just, I guess I have a hard time trying to figure out what to talk about. I'd find it weird just talking to myself, I guess. So maybe I'll get used to it. I'll just keep at it and see what happens, I guess. Need to readjust these air shocks because it has like a limit switch you can adjust to where it always goes to a certain height. And I've got mine set too high, I think. So like right there would be a good height. The challenge is you got to take your bag off to do that. Normally that's not a big problem, but I have installed LED lights on my bags, to which to take the bag off you got to unhook the connection to it, which means I got to take my seat off to do that. So it's kind of a pain to do. So maybe I'll get somebody to help me sit on it. Well, help me. I'll sit on it and they can make the adjustment. Because you could pull just the bag out a little bit, undo the connections and kind of tip the bag out, and then you can get to the adjustment pretty easy. But if you want to do it on your own, you have to remove the bag, so, which is kind of a pain. We will see. Wish you could figure out a way to, when you shut the bike off, it lets the air down, and then when you turn the bike on, it automatically airs up. And have that, they call it a ride height repeater. Just cut it off whenever gets below the limit switch. Anyway, well, that's it. This is my ride to work. I'm here. On the way home, I'm going to use, I got the Osmo, the DJI Action Cam. I'm going to try to use that on the way home to see if I like the quality, if it's just the same. I'm on I mean, as long as it's close and the cameras, you know, the cameras are about half price, so if I needed more than this one camera or whatever, or wanted another action camera, I would just buy the DJI camera. So anyway, I'll see you later. Bye. All right. So the helmet GoPro camera is the DJI Action camera we're trying out. And it rained on me. Well, it is trying to rain again. Hopefully I don't get too wet getting home. But anyway, the camera here is the DJI Osmo Action camera. We're trying that on the way home to see what the sound and picture quality looks like. So see if I like it better than the GoPros, since I'm not all hung up too much on video quality and all that. Hopefully it works out. I mean 4K. I think I got it on 4K 60 frames per second. And I think the GoPro 8 was like 4K 30 frames per second. So we'll see. But if I like these just as well as the GoPros, I'll just probably start buying these, because you can get them for under $200, which is really half the price of the GoPros. $400 at Best Buy. So for the Hero 9 anyway. So I'm pretty hopeful that I'll like the this Osmo camera, the DJI Action camera. You do have to buy an external mic adapter, but it's small, and I don't think it's too expensive. I will try to find the price and post links to it, but I don't think it's $50 or whatever the media mod is for the GoPro. I mean, they don't have a built-in mic or nothing, but personally I don't care about all that. You can charge it. It's got a charging port, it's got a mic port. That'll be good enough for me, at least for my purposes anyway. If you guys have the DJI camera, let me know what you guys think about it, especially if you've used it for long term. I've had this thing forever, but I just opened the box up yesterday. Heck, I think I got it before Christmas. And had just opened it last night. So I bought 3 extra batteries from another company. They're not DJI brand, I don't think. And then I bought the mic adapter and just the camera. So, but again, I'm using the purple panda mic, and I think it gives me good enough quality. It's like a $40 mic. I do use the mid cat over it. Not that that matters much, but that's what I use, or am using right now. Like I said, I haven't done this much, so. And this video here is probably one of the first couple that I've even put out, so I'm due at it. I think I'm going to make it home without getting wet. Hopefully I don't drop my bike trying to put it away today. Like I dropped it getting it out today. That was a mess. When I go up in the driveway, I'm going to try to go the opposite way from what I normally go. Go to the right side instead of the left around my truck. See if I can not dump my bike. Already, I made it, and without dropping the damn thing this time, or getting it in. So we'll talk at you later.
Down it is.
This is a test to see if me moving that mic will help the sound out on this Osmo camera. So we're just going to take a short little trip around town. So I'll have some video to review and then see what happens. As you can hear off of that last section of the video, the sound was not very good for the majority of it, so I'm hoping me moving the mic more to under the cheek pad, it'll help that out some. If not, I'll just go back to my GoPro 8, because I think that sound on it was pretty good, which that video was at the beginning of this video. The footage was at the beginning of this video where I happened to forget how to ride my motorcycle, I think, so aka I dropped my bike. So but I think the sound was good enough. I don't know, maybe not. Maybe I need to get a different mic, but that's nice that you take a wrong turn. You live in a town for all your life and you don't know where you're going. So that's awfully convenient. Try this again. F1 road, it appears. I should go get gas. My gas light is on and it looks like I've got not much gas left, so I'll go to the gas station. But it's a nice cool day today, that's for sure, to go riding around, get out in a nice cooler weather, at least this time of the day anyhow. Got a long weekend this weekend because Monday is Labor Day and don't have to work, so maybe I'll get some riding out this weekend. I really don't have anything planned. Since it's a long weekend, I may. And I think tomorrow it's not supposed to rain, at least. So, get out, at least get a little bit of ride going on. I have a feeling I'm not going to get the green light. I don't know that it's 2021 and we still can't get to where a motorcycle can go up to a damn stoplight or a traffic light and recognize it's actually there without adding a bunch of shit to your bike. They say add magnets and stuff like that, but I don't know. I think this day and age we should be able to figure out how to tell if any kind of a vehicle is at an intersection. It's kind of ridiculous. Hopefully this guy next to me will at least trip the green light to where I can turn. Yep, still didn't see I was here. I want to remember to use my air suspension at one point in time in my life. Tell you what, you can tell when you ain't got that thing pumped up, son. It's awfully rough ride. Hey, keep yourself there. Yeah, hopefully this sounds better getting that mic. I had it right in front of my mouth, so because they had a like a spot, like a Velcro spot for it. In the helmet, so I kind of stuck it there thinking it would be okay, but I don't know if it was just too close to my mouth at that point or talking too loud, mic's crap, or the camera's crap. Oh yeah, I had it I think on 1080p too, which on the prior clip before this one. So, and then now it's on 4K 60 frames per second, or at least it was. Hell, maybe I'm not even recording, who knows. I'm back home. I'm gonna go watch the video and hopefully it's not crap audio.